In Genesis 1:6, we read about our eighth way to stand for wellness: air. We read, "Then God said, 'Let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters.'" On the second day of creation, in preparation for creating man, God made the pure air of the then untainted atmosphere. Every cell of the body requires oxygen to function. Food is important, but a person could live a month without food. Water is important as well, but a person could live a few days without it. But fresh air is even more important, for in the absence of oxygen, brain cells begin to die within 4 to 6 minutes. Unfortunately, we don't live in the untainted atmosphere of a newly created earth. The reality is that there is a lot of pollution in the air around us. Many people don't realize that the worst pollution actually is inside, not outside. If you stay in a room with the doors and windows closed, or a car with the windows up and the air on recirculate, you are actually polluting the air by your breathing. The contaminant levels, such as carbon dioxide, increase and the oxygen levels somewhat decrease. Air within closed spaces is frequently much more polluted than even the smog-laden air of major cities. The worst way to pollute your air is to smoke, or live with someone who smokes. Cigarettes contain over 400 chemicals, 60 of which are known to cause cancer. Tobacco can be transmitted to your children and others by simply contacting your smoke-laden hair and clothes. People who don't smoke but live with those who do can develop cancer and many other diseases as a result of breathing that secondhand smoke. So, what do you do to get fresh air? Well, open the windows of your home on a regular basis. Open the windows of your car. Turn on the air on fresh rather than recirculate. Get out of the city environment and spend some time in the woods, or near a waterfall, or a stream, or by the ocean. Even better would be to move to the country where you can live in the fresh atmosphere of God's creation. If you can't move to the woods, bring the woods to you and fill your house with plants. They will help clean your air. If you struggle with a tobacco addiction, visit www.breathe2.com. That's www.breathe2.com for resources to help you in your struggle for freedom. Remember, in order to truly overcome an addiction, you need the power of God working in your heart. So come to Him and ask for His help. He loves to free His children from the things that hold them in bondage. God bless you abundantly as you learn to stand for wellness.